With the Apple September event just around the corner and the possibility of a Series 5, is the 4th generation Apple Watch still worth buying? Well, let's find out. Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. And today I'm going to be going over why the Apple Watch Series 4 is still the best smartwatch on the market. So let's get started. So here it is, the Apple Watch Series 4. This device was released back in September of 2018 alongside the iPhone XS, almost 1 year ago from today. One thing that makes this Apple Watch so great is the edge-to-edge display that runs from all corners of the device. This takes away from the box look of the traditional Apple Watches, so Series 1 to 3, and now we're getting that full screen real estate without making the size of the body too much bigger. And I think Apple has done a really great job of giving us more screen real estate, but without slapping an iPad on our wrist. The Series 4 Apple Watch comes in a variety of different styles and colors, so it's really something that everyone can customize for themselves. Now let's have a look at some of my favorite features with this device. The first thing that I mentioned is the awesome display that the Series 4 has, and I like that the OS is taking the full screen real estate, so even simple things like the number passcode seem much larger than the previous devices because we're getting that OLED edge-to-edge display. Now, let's talk about performance on the Apple Watch. The dual-core processor on the Series 4 holds up very well. Apps load with ease, and watchOS 5 has been great. Apple has really made improvements to the health side of the Apple Watch with features like heart rate detection as well as the ECG. All of this data gets recorded in the health application and can be exported for further use with a medical professional. The Apple Watch Series 4 also comes with a variety of customizable faces that can be used with the edge-to-edge display, and they look really good as well. On my device, I am using what's called the Infograph watch face. This comes with what's called complications, also known as widgets. This allows you to add extra applications or information to your watch face. For example, a shortcut to your music playlist or the weather. Now, in terms of price, if you're looking to score a deal on the Series 4, I recommend on waiting until the Series 5 is released. That way you'll be able to see the Series 4 drop in price a little bit. Overall, the Series 4 is an amazing Apple Watch, and Apple really did everything right with this device. So, if you're in the market for a really good smartwatch, I'd highly recommend the Apple Watch Series 4. So, that's it for this video. Let me know what you guys think of the Apple Watch Series 4 in the comments down below. Thanks for watching!